Igbos in the Epe Division. I wish you Happy New Yam Festival. God Almighty will bless your business, bless your home, and bless everything that you have in your possession. Because of time, I was being called and referred to as Dr. Hon Segun Agbaje. Is not honorary doctor. By month of November, I'm going to take my academic award doctorate degree for my PhD program at Lagos State University. I'm proud owner of 3 master's degrees from notable universities. I'm saying this because some people look at it, doctor, is he a medical doctor or is he a veterinary doctor, and so on. Also, I'm a former chairman of Epe local government when the local government is still functioning very, very effectively. 2008 to 2011 and 2011 to 2014. During that period, I happened to be the state rep of Lagos State at Argon, and thereafter I was the national treasurer of all local government in this country for 4 years. That is the period I get closer to the Igbos in the Epe Division. They are good people. They are wonderful people. Get closer to Igbo, you will know them more better. I'm proud of Igbo today because they have shown the whole world that they are custodians of our culture. And any woman or any race that doesn't have a culture, he has nothing. I cherish you people because of your culture. You are always proud of it, and we are proud of it together.